Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best axe sharpening stone that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Helco Werk Axe Sharpening Stone. Helco Werk Axe Sharpening Stone is one of the smallest, round-shaped ceramic silicon carbide abrasive material grinding stones made by Germany, designed explicitly for mauls, splitting axes, and felling axes. The contoured design makes it uncomplicated to hold in hand and allows for safe, simple, sharpening tools in all edged tools, such as machetes, shovels, and other garden tools. It's got two sides, in two different colors. One side is coarse, 120 grit, and on the other is the smooth side, 320 grit. The rough side is excellent for mauls and incredibly dull blades to restore blunt edges, while the opposite side performs more excellent sharpening. This stone is possible to use wet, dry, or Helco recommends oil as a lubricant during sharpening. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gransfors Brux Ceramic GB 4034 Grinding, Sharpening Stone. The Gransfors Brux Ceramic Puck is another round sharpening stone that allows you to sharpen for various jobs or sharpen your axe quickly and efficiently in the old-fashioned way. The ceramic abrasive makes it a more durable and more reliable ceramic stone than natural stone. This stone's diameter is 57 mm, 2.2, comes with a protective case, which makes it easy to handle and portable to every workstation. The unit comes with two different sides, fine gritted and rough surfaces. The coarse side with a grain size of 180 deals with harsh damages, and a smooth side with a grain size of 600 perfect for fine grinding and sharpening. Moreover, the stone can be used with or without water. At number 3, we have the Bora 501057 Fine, Coarse Combination Sharpening Stone. Another excellent bench sharpening stone is Bora 501057. This fine, coarse combination sharpening stone is made from 6 by 2-inch aluminum oxide materials. It sharpens all types of knives and tools and makes them harder and more durable, with a longer lifespan to easily fit in the toolbox without taking up too much space. It comes with two-sided stone features options, a 150 grit coarse side for initial sharpening, and a 240 grit fine side for honing or touch-ups all types of edged tools and knives. The stone has dual lubricant options. It might be used with oil or water, but if using water, make sure to soak stone 15 to 30 minutes before using it. At number 2, we have the Sharp Pebble Premium Sharpening Stones. This sharpening stone is superb. The stone's use is simple with a touch practice and enables one to realize razor-sharp results with ease. The ebook supplied is easy to know, and there are a variety of YouTube videos that feature these stones and help gain skills sort of a pro. Can't stop sharpening my knives and cutting tools now. This stone and accessories, rubber frame for holding the stone, flat grinding block, are pretty good quality. The 3000 sides will remove tiny nicks in kitchen knife blades if you're patient, and therefore the 8000 sides will polish the sting for a few considerable sharpness. In summary, complement this stone with a finer grit real Japanese whetstone and use the mixture as a 3-step process. And finally, at number 1, we have the Norton 614,636,855,653 IB8 Fine, Coarse India Combination Oilstone. Are you searching for a prompt and easy way to repair and maintain knives and other cutting tools? The Norton combination of oilstone is an excellent choice for the best oilstone tool. Made from aluminum oxide materials makes it harder and more durable, with a longer lifespan than waterstones, and well suited for sharpening kitchen knives, chisels, woodworking plane blades, and other tools, producing long-lasting and robust cutting edges. It comes with a 100/320 grit combination for versatile sharpening and maintaining. The 100 grit on one face is for repairing steel cutting edges and another 320 grit on the opposite face to sharpen and maintain the edge efficiently. The stone is oil-based, so it saves time and needs no pre-soaking it before use, and the lubricant remains on the surface during sharpening. Moreover, the oil also helps rid the stone of dislodged metal chips and particles. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.